Anong policy changes did you enforce considering that several maritime accidents that happened this year, talagang hindi ho acceptable ito no? Has there been a review of policies by Marina in coordination with other agencies to mitigate, if not completely avoid similar maritime incidents, sir?
Madam Chair, tama ho yun, hindi lang, we have a data here since for the 10-year period, we have a total of 782 maritime accidents.
782
82. Yes.
maritime accidents.
From 2018 to 2022. Ngayon, iba-ibang mga causes niyan, mga grounding, failure to...
I don't think we're proud of it, sir, right? My God.
Yes.
I mean, do we have the data sa ating rehiyon? Tayo ba pinakamaraming aksidente sa ganitong mga gawain?
Well, this is,
If you compare to other countries?
I don't have the data of other countries, but this is alarming.
Definitely alarming. That's why I'm raising it.
Kasi ho, hindi takot yung mga dahil sa compliance nila, dahil we do not have yung walang teeth yung aming policy.
That's the reason why I'm asking. You now reviewing? Do you have some policy changes, recommendations on how we gonna do it? Because I am the principal author and sponsor of occupational safety and health standards, sir. And we work hard for this particular measure. I worked for more than 15 years. I was a member of the House of Representatives when I introduced this measure. Naging senador na ako, dun lang naging batas itong occupational safety and health standards. And yet, this is still happening. So I wanted to find out, anong pwede pa natin gawin? Kulang pa ba yung batas? Otherwise, this will continue to go on and go on. Nag-file din tayo ng Senate Resolution 571, directing the proper Senate committee to conduct an inquiry in aid of legislation, itong Philippine registered vessels with occupational safety and health standards. Again, itong binabanggit po ninyo na 782 maritime accidents 2018 to 2022 is alarming, sir.
Mayroon din kami ginagawa, gaya ng we are trying to educate and the vessel owners, like for example, yung Maritime Safety Summit. We are going to have a Maritime Safety Summit. We review our policy on that.